Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter are out and about. And I got two of my people up in the back seat.
Hey, honeys, how y'all doing? Benjamin.
Hey.
I just told both of them they wasn't dressed for this cold weather. I think it's below 0 here now. It's so cold. I'm dressed. And I got my hat in the back seat pocket, just in case my head gets cold. Which usually I have on my hair hat, but I got on this little topper, so that ain't doing nothing for warmth. Walter just went in there to pay for the gas. Then he gonna pump the gas. Because your cars need to be fueled up in really, really cold weather if you want it to start. Okay, I will talk to y'all later. These people coming out of this store looking all kind of ways. All kind of colors. Now, why do people wear a vest in below 0 weather? Her arms are out. That's so dumb to me. Okay. Talk to y'all later. Hi, y'all. We're out again. And there's Benji back there. And Walter. There's Walter back there. And Jackie is driving.
Hi, honeys, how y'all doing?
Okay, look where you going. Okay. So I'll be back. We stopped at Mickey D's. I usually don't care about Mickey D's, but I got me a Big Mac and fries. I don't know why they gave me a large fry, because I don't care that much about fries. So I ate about a third of them. They were nice. They tasted good. You know, McDonald's got some good fries. Salty, and they weren't the hottest of fries, but they tasted good. I will talk to y'all later. Okay. Bye. Hi, y'all. We're in the doctor's office, just waiting in the waiting room. And Walter's sitting over there. Hello, Mr. Ford.
Hello. How you?
Yep. They still waiting for you to do something on here. And they shouldn't have to wait till February. So when you gonna do something? Come on. Come on. Look them straight in the eye and tell them.
I'm still working on some things. What I can say.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Going back to my years, my mind, what I went through in my life. I don't know. I'm think of something.
That's what you said 2 years ago. Okay. Dude. Okay. I guess y'all have to stick with me only. Okay. Jackie's in that room over there. And Benji's sitting over there by the door. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye. I'm eating up all my lipstick. Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is a small haul. Walmart haul. First thing I got is my butternut Italian bread. I like it better than regular white bread. I like the Italian. Okay. I wanted something sweet. Me and Walter both wanted something sweet. So I got the cherry and cheese Danish. Okay. I'll be making a a peach and cherry cobbler maybe one day next week, and I'll use cake mix. I'll make it like a dump cake. Y'all see. So this is the butter recipe, yellow cake mix. I'll be making a good hearty soup, vegetable soup with chicken in it. I'll probably put it in my slow cooker. So I got some of these Amish egg noodles, the flat wide ones. Okay. House. Made the old-fashioned way, naturally. They say it's extra wide. You know how noodles, they expand. We'll see how wide they are, because I wanted the wide ones. Okay, here's my sliced peaches for my peach cobbler. What's this? Get it out the bag. Okay. There's some of the vegetables just going in it. Corn, carrots. I try to put all the frozen stuff together. Green beans. And put some Brussels sprouts in them. Cut them in half. Put that in there. I got some drumstick ice cream, the cookie dipped ice cream cones, the vanilla fudge, the vanilla caramel, and the vanilla. Just like that. Oh, this is the chicken I'll be using in my soup. It's actually cheaper to buy chicken like this, already cooked. And I've tried John Soul's food before. So this is the fully cooked fajita chicken. It says fire grilled chicken breast strips with authentic fajita seasoning. So cooking with Doug, he turned me on to John Soul's foods. Fully cooked, and it's good, seasoned good. And what else I got here? Something else in this bag. Ouch. Oh, the cherries. I use cherry pie filling in my peach cobbler. So peach and cherry cobbler. Good, y'all. For real, for real. And I'm still using these reusable shopping bags. I keep them in my car, so I got a bunch of them in my car. And I have chili ready diced tomatoes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a red sauce to my soup or just a clear, like chicken broth liquid. I'm not sure yet. Got some hot rotel and some more chili ready diced tomatoes. They said picked and packed the same day. I don't even believe that. That's okay. It's good. It's good for what I want. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have the red broth or a clear chicken broth in my soup. What would y'all do? And I bought some of this fruit in the gel, like Jell-O with fruit in it. It's the 12-pack. So I got 4 mixed fruit in black cherry gel, 4 diced peaches in strawberry flavored gel, and 4 mandarin oranges in orange flavored gel. So I'll get these good and cold, and I may eat 2 at a time for a snack when I want something sweet. I do crave sweets, y'all. So this was also an out and about video. You never know how your day gonna turn out. Jackie texted me early this morning, and she was telling me, well, she never did come out and ask me to take her nowhere. She was telling me that her car, she just barely made it to work because her car, she was having trouble with her car. And then some lights came on, and it scared her. But anyway, you need your car to go to work. So she had made an appointment at the car dealership, and she was telling me about her 11 o'clock appointment. So she still didn't come out and ask me to take her nowhere. So she said, I don't know what to do. I can't get there. So if it had been anybody else, I would have had them come out and ask me to take them. But Jackie, she would do anything for anybody. So she didn't have to ask me. She's very thoughtful, okay? So I wound up picking her up from the car dealership, her and her son, Benjamin. He's getting too old to be called Benji, I guess. And then they had a doctor's appointment, both of them at the same place. So I took them there. And then when we got out of there, her car was ready. So I took her back to the car dealership. And I stayed and made sure her car started okay and watched them drive away. Then we went to Walmart. So that's how our day started out. You near a clock, Walter? What time is it?
What?
Never mind. I thought you were in the kitchen. So it's about, you know what time it is?
About 5 minutes to 4.
It's almost 4 o'clock, y'all. And we got out of here early. Like, I think it was a little before 11. We got out of here. And since Jackie knew where the place was, she drove us there, used my car and drove. That's why I don't usually ride with Jackie. Oh my gosh. You know how you're supposed to slow down when you come to a curve? And I'm holding on for dear life. I'm putting on brakes on my side of the car with both my feet. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we made it there safely. So we all safely at home now. So thanks for watching and listen to this little idle chatter. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I'm acting like Vanna Black. Bye.